Hey, coming back with you again with another video about 24K madness. I already posted this postcard on my Facebook page and on my multiple stream of income. I got my order in today, 1,000 postcard, 25K madness, 25 payments in the mail blocks like clockwork, like you see here. Where you see the white spot at, you put a stamp right there, you put a lead right there. That's all you need to do. Get a bundle together and drop it enough in the mailbox. Repeat the same cycle. It's that simple. It's not hard. It's not difficult. 25K madness. That's it you need to do. 25K madness. Like I repeat myself again, we have to join something to able to get money coming in your household. Nobody's not going to give you any money. Everybody's being selfish right now, don't want to help each other out. But I'm here to tell you, that's going to change if you don't join anything to come aboard any opportunity that people's promoting. Not only me. You don't have to come under me. You can join somebody else. I'm promoting MCA, I'm promoting this, I'm promoting that. 5 billion sales. I have a lot of stuff going on. We have to understand you have to join something to an opportunity to come aboard something. It's not going to join itself. It is not going to join itself. So this is a video about 24K madness by WTM Pubs. Very simple, well put together. The postcard explain everything to you and go from there. Those white spots you see there, stamps on the right hand corner, on the right hand side, you put the leads right there. That simple. It's not hard. It don't take no rocket scientist to do this job. Yes. So we have to join something. We have to join something. An opportunity to come aboard anything. So here's my small presentation about this video. Thank you.